always coming up with weird and wonderful ideas, looking at getting students to engage with our service.
He's genuinely one of the nicest, most humble, creative, innovative people I've ever had the pleasure of working with.
She is the epitome of professionalism.
They really have gone above and beyond what we might expect people to do.
I just truly am blown away by everything they achieve.
One of the most responsive academic subject managers that I've ever worked with.
She takes real pride in it, real pleasure in doing it, never ever blows her own trumpet.
He's, I have to say, one of the most approachable, friendly and professional people I've ever come across.
For Inspiring Team or Colleague of the Year is Wee Kemp.
It did feel really surreal, you know. I watched all of those videos and I just thought how amazing everyone is. The video thoroughly did for me. That was enough.
James Bennett.
It's people I work with giving me the opportunity to be professional and to be able to answer all the queries. That's the important thing to myself.
Really kind of overwhelmed, to be honest.
Well, another fantastic event that we've had today. Just to see the look on people's faces.
It's wonderful and just so nice to have my colleagues in my department as well, because they let me have the time and space to come here.